Britney Spears' new attorney gives statement outside courthouse. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trending Zone. Today, we are showing what statement the new attorney for Britney Spears gave. Are you excited to witness it? Well, keep watching the video. And before we begin, make sure to smash the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to never miss out on more videos we post. Here we begin. At the hearing on Wednesday, when she broke into tears after describing the cruelty of her conservatory, a judge allowed Britney Spears to hire an advocate of her choice. Spears' hiring of Matthew Rosengart, a former prosecutor, Judge Brenda Penny from the LA. The Superior Court of Los Angeles called on Spears' father immediately to resign as Britney's conservator. Rosengart stated that the question is still the same as why is he involved? Britney Spears, who was taking part in the phone hearing, told the judge that after several talks with him, she accepted Rosengart. Then she asked the court but asked for cleaning up the courtroom. When Rosengart started to argue for a private hearing, Spears interrupted him and said, "I can speak openly with him." She added that she wishes to see him charged with abusing his position. "My father must be removed today," she said. She babbled that she sometimes found it challenging to understand the court reporter and the dozens of media in the courtroom. She said that she wanted the conservatives to stop at once, but not if more stupid assessments were necessary. For the millionth time, she said she didn't want to give people another chance to charge my intelligence. She described her driver's license and her hair vitamins as essential as coffee by the conservation authorities. "I don't know what it is if it isn't abuse," said Spears. She recalled that she'd been overworked and constantly investigated. "I thought they were trying to kill me" in the early years of her conservatory. When she felt abandoned by her family, she began sobbing, talking about getting comfortable in a therapy dog. His lawyer Vivian Thurine said in court that he never thought of only his daughter's best interest. Nevertheless, James Spears would not step down as Rosengart challenged them. Thurine said Britney Spears had many faulty beliefs, including that her dad was responsible for all her nasty stuff. "I don't know if the information is misinformation, lack of correction, or misguided," said Thurine. Thurine pointed out that James Spears had control for almost 2 years only over money from his daughter, ceding power over her lives to a professional appointed by the court, Jody Montgomery. Thurine argued that an evidentiary hearing was required to investigate the claims made by Britney Spears at the hearing on June 23, including the compulsory use of medicines and intrauterine control equipment. Thurine said that she thought it strange that Britney Spears would describe the pop star's circumstances as abusive. Lorian Wright, Montgomery's lawyer, answered that Britney Spears had last to be put on the stand and the truth of what she said in her emotional testimony examined together. "We are dealing with somebody with mental disease. I don't think it's a secret," said Wright. Wright added that their medical team strongly recommended that their father, Mr. Spears, be out of custody. Since February 2008, Britney Spears is under judicial supervision. At that time, she was in the middle of a public meltdown and her family tried to protect her. She had a court-appointed lawyer throughout the trial to represent her interests, Samuel Ingham III. Still, after 3 weeks of a dramatic hearing in which the pop star told Penny she resigned, "I want my life back." #Free Britney supporters outside the court applauded Rosengart's decision, and then Rosengart cheered himself when he left. He questioned before the court if the conservatory was ever supposed to be established and said he and his firm's team of lawyers would closely examine the arrangement's details. "Not," Rosengart said. "It doesn't work. That's what we know." Florida Congressman Matt Gaetz gave a short speech outside the Los Angeles City Center to the Spears supporters and called Free Britney at one point. The National Mall was supported by a group of Spears supporters in Washington, D.C. The case had operated for a few years with little drama, although questions arose in recent years about the length of the case and the singer's feelings about the event. This led to an extensive public inspection of the courts, which were mainly conducted in secret because of the singer's medical and private information and condition. The complex network of lawyers and other conservative participants was also focused. Once again, Penny did not give much evidence of what she would move on, scheduling another hearing in late September and expressing the hope that the warning factions would share Britney Spears' faith. "Everyone should cooperate," said the judge. "It's nobody else. It's her. This is nobody else. So that's all with the video. This is the latest news on Britney Spears' case where her attorney gave a statement outside the courthouse. I hope you enjoyed watching it. What are your views about this case? Let us know in the comments section below. Until the next video, stay tuned and make sure to smash the subscribe button to never miss out on more videos we post. See you soon. Bye!